Welcome back for another QNT price prediction update video where I will be giving you areas that QNT needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also give you what to expect once the bull market is here. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, QNT is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a significant area of support at around the $100 mark, and even lost the $97.6 mark, which is now acting as a resistance. And there are chances that in the next coming hours, in case QNT is able to break above the $97.6 mark with a retest, then there are chances that we can easily get above the $100 mark once more. And a break above the $100 mark with a retest, then we can easily see the $105 mark in the next coming hours. Alternatively, in case we get rejected at the $97.6 mark, which is a key area of resistance, and we continue seeing further weakness on the charts, then I will be expecting further pullback into this blue target area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's. And zooming out here on the charts to give you what has been happening in the past few weeks, you can see that QNT gave us a low at around the $84.4 mark before we started this explosive move to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $110 mark. And after getting rejected at our key area of resistance above the $110.9 mark, we have now been seeing a bit of a pullback over here. And the minimum target areas for this pullback can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows at around the $84.5 mark to that high above the $110 mark, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And that is between the $97.1 mark and the $89.7 mark, which is an area within which we can expect QNT to see further pullback into. Fully maximize the target area, continue holding within the area until we see a massive reversal to the upper side, seeing a break above significant areas of resistances. And then from that point we can get above the $100 mark once more. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term, in case further pullback continues and in case we see a break above the $97.6 mark. Jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the QNT chart, you can see that QNT gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark before we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $229 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that wave 2 at around the $84.5 mark. And in the next coming hours, QNT can get impulsive and start this impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $386.7 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you. and I hope to catch you in the next one.